Ooh, I'm looking really summery at the start of this video. It's not even that nice of a day outside. So today's video is a very exciting one because one, I'm trying on outfits, which I actually find really fun. I've done a couple like outfit style videos before and I actually really enjoy filming them. I like doing something a bit different in a different part of my room that you never get to see. But today's video, we have a sponsor. Pretty Little Thing are sponsoring this video, and I'm going to be trying on date night outfits, which is super exciting. I also thought I would get my boyfriend involved. Seeing as though he's the one that's dating me, I thought I would get him to rate my outfits out of 10. But if you guys didn't know, I'm sure you do already, Pretty Little Thing is an online clothing website. They have loads of clothes on there. They actually do shoes, accessories, swimwear, casual clothes, dressing up clothes. They literally have everything. I've bought loads of stuff off their website in the past and there's a lot of stuff on there that's really like my style. I'm sure you guys will have seen me mention a lot of their stuff on Instagram. I've got a few bits that are a little bit more out of my comfort zone because I don't often, like, to be honest, I don't often dress that girly, like quote unquote girly, because you know, I don't often wear a lot of dresses unless it's like a really special occasion. So I decided that I would get a few bits in this video that are a bit more girly. And I've got some play suits, I've got some dresses, I've got some outfits that go with jeans. I've got a few more dressy bits, I've got a few more casual date night outfits. So I'm really excited to try these bits on and see what my boyfriend thinks. If you guys are interested in any of these outfits, I will have all the links in the description box. And let's just get on to trying on some clothes. Okay, so basically what I'm doing for these different outfits, because they're all date night outfits, I thought I would message my boyfriend, send him pictures of all of the outfits and get him to rate them out of 10, just because I thought it would add something a little bit extra to this video. So I've just sent him a picture of this outfit and I'll show you his replies on the screen and everything. But this is outfit number 1. So the top half is actually a bodysuit, which I absolutely love. And then the bottom half is obviously some jeans. Wait a second, let me move you back a little bit. Apologies that my setup for trying on clothes is never the best. You can always see like a bit of my bed or a bit of something in the background. It's just because my room isn't that big, so I'm working with what I've got. But, okay, so the first thing I guess is the necklaces. These are from Pretty Little Thing. I'm probably going to be wearing these with most of the outfits just because I always like to wear necklaces, and this one is like a triple layer thing. So this is what the bodysuit looks like. It has these kind of arm bits that you just slide your arm in, and it's made of like a kind of crepe sort of material. So these bits obviously attach onto the kind of bandeau part. I think this is really flattering. It's got the tie-up bit here, so obviously if you did want to make it a little bit tighter or looser depending how big your boobs are, you could do that. I think the majority of these items I got in a size 6. This one was a 6, the jeans were a 6. But I love this. I think it's so flattering. I don't have the biggest of bust, but I feel like this, I don't know, I just feel like it's very flattering on me. It has a zip down the back. Oh, looking at this now, I haven't done the zip up very well, have I? There we go. So it just has a zip to get it on and off, and then the bottom half is a bodysuit. It does have like poppers around the bottom, so if you need to pee, you're all good. This one is actually a tiny bit tight, kind of like around my bum and my thighs. So I think maybe in future I would get this in a size 8, but I'm just in love with it. I think it's so cute. I'm just wearing it with like a nude strapless bra. It also does have like a bit on here which kind of like helps it stick to your skin, and this bit is stretchy. And then these jeans are just high-waisted. They've got like a rip in the knee, and then the bottom of them is kind of just cut off. And I really like these jeans as well. They're really comfy. They're like stretchy jeans. I think I'd probably wear them with a belt because they're a tiny bit big on my waist, but they're just like comfortable. They're pretty much just like standard jeans, but I feel like jeans and a white bodysuit is such a nice kind of summer vibes, spring vibe outfit, even if it's not date night, but like this is definitely something I'd wear for date night. Okay, right, so he's given this one a 7 out of 10, and he said, cute little number there, isn't it? I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Just to point out, how come it's so light in your room? It's bloody dark over here. So I just sent him a picture back saying I have these of like my setup with all my lights. That's obviously where I get the light from. But he's given this one a 7 out of 10, which I feel like is a decent start. I guess because it's not too dressy and it's a bit more cash. But he did use a GIF, which is these two guys being like, damn. Okay, right, time for me to change into outfit number 2. This is probably like the most out of my comfort zone. Actually, no. That's a lie. But this one is very out of my comfort zone. I picked it because I don't own any white dresses. I don't own any dresses in this sort of style. I just thought it would be something a little bit different. So this is basically a white mini dress. It is very short, as you can see. I'm wearing nude underwear with this one because I feel like you might be able to like see underwear through it. So I put on like some nude pants and a nude bra. But it's this kind of like soft jersey material. It's got like ribbing kind of down the sides of it. But I feel like it just doesn't quite fit on my waist quite right, so I think maybe I would size down in this because it was stretchy. I feel like you would get quite a lot of give in it, if you know what I mean. But it's got this kind of like tie detail here on the chest, and then the sleeves are kind of like off the shoulder, elasticated. All this bit around the top is I mean, this is really comfortable. This is such a comfy option. I feel like if I was on holiday somewhere really hot and I didn't want to wear many clothes, then maybe this is something that I would go for, because I mean, it's super comfy. And then the back of it is literally just the same. It's just like a tiny bit big around here, so maybe, yeah, I would get like the size down so that it was really like, let's see what the boyf says. He just said, you suit the style of dress, to be honest. It's more summer, not for a date night though. Solid 5 out of 10. It's got potential. I feel like Gok 1. Okay, moving on to the next option. So I got a belt to go with this one. This is actually a sweatshirt dress, or like a jumper dress, whatever you want to call it. I actually got this one from the petite section because I originally got it from the normal section. The people that are over 5'3" section, and it was a bit too long on me, so I decided to reorder it from the petite section. This one definitely works a lot better, but I do have a belt to go with it. Without the belt, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's just super slouchy, super casual. I would probably wear this around the house, but I'm just gonna add this belt. Wait, let me take off this, just because I feel like this would look really cute, kind of cinched in a bit more. Ooh. Oh, and then with the necklaces as well, I feel like one of those cool Instagram fashion people. Maybe I should like fold it over a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well, obviously this one is the most comfortable out of all of the options. I kind of love it with the belt. I feel like I would just wear this with, this would look so good with the black belt, with like a little black shoulder bag and black biker boots or something. It's just got the Pretty Little Thing embroidered logo on it, and it's this really nice kind of sandy color. I kind of love this. I don't know whether I like it more like pulled out like this, or whether it looks better like that. I don't really know, but I kind of love it. I'm just going to move the camera up a bit because it keeps cutting off my head. I mean, yeah, I think it's really cute. Okay, so his first comment was, nice pointy toe. To be honest, it just looks like a long shirt, but like a casual thing. And I said, that's basically what it is. It is like a long shirt, it's a long jumper. And he said, like you're gonna go out for drinks or something. And he said, yeah, I like it. So he's given this one a 7 out of 10 again, which I think is reasonable. Right, on to the next outfit. I think I'm gonna do something a little bit more dressy. Okay, this next one, this is definitely very out of my comfort zone, but I actually really like it. So this is a dress. It's kind of like a, I don't really know what type of dress you call this. Okay, so in all fairness, it's a little bit big up top here. I think what I would probably do is wear it with like a more padded bra so I fill it out a little bit more. But the actual length of the dress is this long, which I feel like on me is a little bit long. However, what you can just do is tuck it up into the belt. I'm not sure if they do this one in the petite range, but I feel like just tucking it up works perfectly fine. But what I love about this dress, okay, let me move over here so you can kind of see a bit more. It's got this like corseted bit, so you can tie it as tight as you want around your waist, which I think is super flattering. Hopefully you can kind of see here, like you can literally like tie it. Okay, that was too tight. As tight as you want it to be. I think this is so cute. I really don't have much in my wardrobe that's like this. And it's got like frilly sleeves, it's got flowers on it. It's definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I actually think it looks so cute. And this one has got like a zip to go up and down the back, so it's super easy to get on and off. And then the back is just the same. It's got like the frilly bits here. I actually love this one. I really like it. I wasn't expecting to like it this much, but I really like it. Okay, so my lovely boyfriend has replied with a heart eyes emoji, and he said, this one's my fave so far, 9 out of 10, with a little gif of a guy going, when I say a guy, I mean Steve from The Office. And he said, more spring summer though, but it's both casual and date night. I think I have to agree with him. I think this one's my favourite so far. Moving on to the next outfit. Oh, the next one could be a potential contender for being my favourite as well. Okay, so this next one I love. I think it's so cute. It's so comfortable. This can actually be worn in 2 different ways. Let me just show you the full thing first. So it's a little play suit, which I think is so cute. I love play suits, especially in the summer, because Yeah, like I said before, I'm not much of a dresses person. I prefer to have like some kind of shorts on the bottom here. And also a lot of the time play suits for some reason are a bit shorter than dresses. And so they kind of tend to suit me a bit more because I'm so short. But this is just a red play suit. I feel like this one's really flattering on the bum, but on the model she was wearing it in like 2 different ways. So in one of the pictures she had the sleeves up like this, they're like cute little frilly sleeves, and then in the other picture she had it kind of like off the shoulder. So I guess you could kind of wear this whichever way you preferred. If you have it off the shoulder, the sleeves are a bit more puffy, but I still think it looks really cute like this. What do you guys think? Which way do you think looks better? And you can actually tie this to be like a bit tighter or a bit looser, again depending on how big your chest is, how big your shoulders are, but it is super stretchy. This is just super comfy in the summer. I think maybe I would wear it with like a little belt or something, I don't know. So he said, I like that too, take that on holiday with you. More casual wear to be honest, but still would be fine if you're like going for drinks or something, I don't know. 7.5 out of 10. I love how he's saying all this stuff when literally when we go on dates, I just wear jeans and like a sweatshirt, and he's saying that this one is casual. I guess he's just looking at like the bigger picture, or like for summer, but I'm definitely going to be taking this on holiday with me. Okay, this next one I actually love. This is a bodysuit, which I'm just again wearing with my strapless bra because it's got these skinny black straps, but it's made of that like slinky material, which is super comfy, and I find it super flattering as well. And then the skirt is like a black denim skirt with white stitching, and then it's got this like tie at the waist so you can kind of like cinch yourself in, and it has pockets, which I mean you can't go wrong with pockets. I love pockets in anything. And then the back just looks like this. It's also got pockets here, but I love this. I think it's such a cute little outfit. It kind of looks like a dress in my viewfinder, but yeah, hopefully you can see it is like a two-piece set thing. But yeah, this is again super comfy. I love the skirt, I love the bodysuit. I would wear both of them separately with other things as well. But yeah, thumbs up from me. I also have a different top that I'm just going to try this on with quickly, because I feel like this would also look cool with something else that I've got. Okay, so this is the second top option to go with this skirt. You guys will have to let me know down below which one you prefer, but this is like a little red scuba material crop top. This one almost acts like a push-up bra because it's very like, it really squeezes you in. Like, oh my goodness, I nearly have boobs. This is what this one looks like with the skirt. This also does have a zip down the back. Oh gosh, what have I done here? There we go. But yeah, I kind of like this option too. I feel like it's a bit more of a contrast. I don't know. Okay, so I just said to him, which top is better, red or black? And he said black for sure. I feel like this is still a nice option, but maybe the black one goes a bit better with it. I don't know. On to the final outfit. This is a really dressy one. Okay, my camera literally just died on me, but the battery is recharged. This is the final outfit. This one is definitely the most dressy, as you can probably see. It's this gorgeous red kind of, hopefully you can see on camera, it's got like velvet stripes down it, and then it's got this like kind of cut out bit in the middle. It's got lace all on the top. It's got adjustable straps, which is really good, and then it just does up with a zip. But oh my goodness, I love this so much. I think it's so flattering like on my figure and everything, because I don't have like too many curves, but this one actually kind of makes me look curvy, which I love. I feel like it's also quite flattering on my bum again. And surprisingly, it's actually very comfortable. It's actually stretchy. So my lovely boyfriend, who is now actually very tired because I'm filming this at night time, he's got to wake up for work tomorrow at 7 AM. So can everyone please show him some love in the comments? He said, ooh, fancy. I like this one too. Damn, PLT. He's trying to get me those brand deals. You can tell. This one's more like when you're going for a nice meal. Gotta be a 9 out of 10. And nice pointy toe again. Because I've like pointed my toe in the picture, and then he said, you better keep this in. Oh, I will, don't you worry. So I've just said to him, so overall, which was your fave? I think overall for me, my favorite was either this one or the black kind of floral dress with the frilly sleeves and the frills around the bottom, or the first one actually. I really like the jeans and the white bodysuit combo. So I said, so overall, which was your fave? And he said it's either that last one or this one, which is the black floral one, which was also my two favorites. So I guess we have similar taste. Please let me know down below which one was your favorite. I'd be interested to know. I'm just going to answer a question of the day. If you guys want to be featured in any future videos, leave me questions down below with the hashtag question of the day. Today's question comes from Marissa Lynn, and she said, where did you get your phone case from? I actually recently got a new phone, and I showed this in one of my previous videos, which is why she's asking. This new phone case is from Amazon, and it's kind of like marble, and then it's got silver on it. I don't really know if you can see that. And then my pop socket is just the one that I had had on my old phone case. I kind of like scraped it off and then stuck it on this one. This is from Claire's, and then the actual case itself is from Amazon. I just typed in like marble phone case. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I would also love it if you would subscribe. Remember, if you want to shop for any of these clothes, I will leave the link for Pretty Little Thing in the description box. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!